Hi guy, here is the questions. How to influence your behaviors? Why you need to the influence your behaviors? Because behavior is the precursor of making any decisions. Decision for taking the actions. That action can be the cause of your any result. That can be the cause of your any experience. So most important thing is that the behaviors is the cause of unsuccessful, where many people claim that I can't achieve, I cannot do it, despite of opportunity is knocking in your door, and that opportunity you cannot transfer in your behaviors, in your actions. So if you talk about the what is the greatest evolutions, a greatest breakthrough, a greatest transformation of every people in this planet, in my knowledge, in my opinions, that is your behaviors. How to influence your behaviors? Why behaviors? As I told, behavior is the precursor of making decisions. You can't take decisions unless until if you do not influence your behaviors for doing the particular task. Now second question is that how to influence your behaviors, how to modify, alter the change of your behaviors. That behaviors is coming through the your thought, your constructive thought. Yeah, the idea is something is coming to your thought. If you're having the thought again and again, that is become your constructive thought. That thought become unconscious. If you are creating same thought again and again, that unconscious thought will become your belief. And belief is that your model of your reality. Belief is model of your reality. It means that you can see your life through your own lens. That lens can be a cause of how you can view the world. The world is not as it is. The world is what we can see through our lens. So most important thing is that do you have the empowering belief that supporting to make and shape your behaviors, shape your action, shape your thought, shape your any experience. That is the most important questions we have to ask. See, you are not getting success, yeah, something you are not moving ahead what you really want to in your life because of what you have the disempowering belief, what you have the model of your reality. Model of your reality is telling that I cannot do it, I am worthless, my language is not so good, I have do not fancy degree, I do not have the skills. That is something what it's the model of the reality. It's not true. That model of reality is not serving to get what you really want in your life. If you say that I cannot do it, I am not worthy, my language is not so good, I am not smart, people love me, I do not have the fancy degree, it means that that is your model of your reality. Whether you can see the your world through your own lens, that lens is not true. That lens is within created by yourself, and if it's not serving of your career, of your life, you start questioning on what you have the disempowering belief, that is I cannot do it, I am not I am worthless, my language is not so good, I am have do not have the any skills. The moment you get asked the questions, you create the self-doubt. That is the first step of your transformation. That evolution began within yourself. So next step is that you have to create the new belief that can replace from the old belief that I cannot do it, I'm worthless. You have to say I can, I do it, I'm skillful, I'm powerful. The moment you can say, it's became your next thought. Having living in the same thought create your belief. Now you are living in your new belief. You can live your life on your new belief. That is something is that you are shaping your behaviors. You are making your choice, creating the new experience. So my dear friend, do you have the empowering belief? If not, how you know? Because it's not serving to your career, it's not serving about your life, it's not helping to achieve where you want to go, it's not helping to go the place where you want to go, it's not helping to meet the people to whom you want, it's not helping to get the things what you really want in your life. That is something is your model of your reality. Create the new model of your reality. That is your revolutions. That is your transformations. That is your breakthrough journey start. Thank you.